just gonna do a hike to Eva Lake, which is kind of a 30 minutes drive from Revelstoke town, and need to hike around like 2.5 hours one side, so it's going to be like 5 hours in total. I just spoke to some locals. They said like it's a really good spot, I should check it out, so probably let's find it out. So really beautiful drive between the woods to the top of the mountain. It's like totally half an hour, like 30 minutes of drive. So hi, so I just reached the parking lot, so I parked my car here. So I just spoke to the guy here. He said it's going to be another 2 hours of hike. So it's gonna take like 4 hours in total. Let's figure it out. Let's see. So once you start the hike, you could see these wildflowers. It looks so beautiful. It's so pretty. And this is the trail. So we're gonna take this trail and just keep on walking. So guys, I hiked probably like 15-20 minutes, and I reached a really beautiful view. So I've been hiking this beaten path from past 40 minutes or something, but I'm getting more closer and closer to the beautiful view. That's the best part. Look at this small guy. So cute. I think he's scared of me. He just ran away. Oh, I can still see him. Oh, he's coming back. Oh yeah, hi buddy. I think he's a squirrel. Maybe I'm not sure. Maybe he's not a squirrel, but he's so small. But he's really cute. So here we are walking through this narrow path by this kind of a steep side, but it's not that dangerous. It's pretty easy. It's interesting. It's not something we do every day in life, so it's definitely a really good experience. The view from here is definitely stunning. There's so many rocks down here. Looks like these rocks come from the top. When the big rocks are broken, it come in small pieces and fall down to the other side of the cliff. So guys, I've been hiking like almost 1 hour and 15 minutes so far. It was pretty much um, it wasn't steepy. It wasn't that steep at all in the beginning, and later started to get a little steepy, and there was a lot of rocks to jump through. So I'm very tired, guys. So I saw some kind of animal here. It looks very different. I've never seen him before. By the way, that's a view here. Look at this guy. He looks so cool. Oh, he's a porcupine. He's a porcupine. Guys, look at this guy. He's so cute. Oh, he's scared. Sorry, buddy. I'm your friend. Don't be scared. Oh, he went hide from me. Anyways, he doesn't want to talk. So guys, this time, I'm not joking, we reached Eva Lake. So this is it. It's beautiful. It's whew. Look at that beautiful greenish water and the beautiful mountain ranges behind the lake. That's what makes it special. The mountain ranges, they're just so beautiful, and I hope you guys can see that ice, the snow on top of the mountain. And oh, this is so good. And look at the water. It's so clean and clear. Of course, it's the water coming from the mountains. It's like this water is from the glaciers, like, so it's definitely clean. Oh, look at that. There's fish. There's a fish. I don't know if you guys can see him. I can't believe there is fish here. Hi. How would the fish would come here? Because this place is like on top of a mountain. Anyway, I will stop talking. Let's enjoy the view. I guess there's a really nice view after the lake. Let's figure it out. Let's find out what's there. The mountains. Wow. Woo. Oh my god. Look at that. That's stunning. Look at this edge where I'm standing. That's my shoes, by the way. And that's the edge. Wow, it's kind of scary. But the view, oh, well, you can see the mountains over there. You can see there's ice, like snow on top of the mountains. Those ones are really taller than this one, I believe, because it's already got snowfall, so must be really high up compared to this. And I don't know if you could see, there's a small stream coming up here, a small water stream. It's really far away. And my favorite part is when the sunlight hits from the side like this on the trees from one side of the mountain. It just makes it more beautiful. It's just gorgeous. I wish I had someone with me to take a photo of me. So this little guy is checking out my bag. Let's see what he's doing. Do you like my jacket? What are you going to do with it? Hi, buddy. How's it going? Hi. Hello. Don't be scared. Hi. Hi, so this is almost the kind of the end of the hike, I would say, in the Eva Lake Trail. It's a really nice view, and this is just behind the Eva Lake. I like this view more than the lake itself. I really enjoy the mountaintop views. It's something really special. guys notice there's a tree house here. I don't know what it is. It looks cool though. So that's a camping house, like it's a campsite here. So if you want to come here and camp, you can stay here. You probably need to book it going to Parks Canada website. So it's time to say goodbye to Eva Lake. So we need to head back the trail, and the time is like 6 p.m. right now. The sunset is by 7:30, so it's like almost 2 hours walk down. I guess it's gonna be kind of dark by the time I get there, so I should be a little bit faster. Don't want to waste a lot of time on the way back, so I can make it safe. I can make it to the parking lot safe. So let's do it. This is my favorite. This is my favorite view of the all hike I did today. It's so beautiful, and it's almost sunset time. You can see the beautiful red color on the clouds. It's so beautiful. Let's have a look at the sunset. The sun is setting on the top of the mountains. Wow. So just in case, if you enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.